Opening Gemini app, switch to profile, manage your Google account. When I click this, error occurs. Can't connect to the internet. Some info may be outdated or not, so refresh when you are back online. Can't connect to the internet, error occurs. Solution: go to date and time settings, turn on set time automatically. This will fix the error. Solution 2: clear cache and data for Google Apps. Solution 3: disable VPN or proxy. Final solution is re-add your Google account. If the problem persists, removing and re-adding the Google account often forces a fresh connection to Google servers. Subscribe.